In this video, I will show you how to create an invoice on the PayPal mobile app. So first go and open up the PayPal mobile app and then click on Payments in the bottom. Then here at the top, go and click on Request. Now here when you scroll down a bit under More Ways to get paid, the second option is Send Invoice. So go and click Send Invoice. Then it will take you to this different version of PayPal. From here, just go and click on Manage Your Invoices. And here what you can do is in the bottom right, click on the plus. Then here click on create an invoice. You can also create a recurring invoice or send a quick invoice. But if I want to create one, just click create an invoice. Now here I can bill it to an email address or name. I can add an item or service, choose the currency, add a note. And if you click see more options, you will have some more details that you can add right here. And then once you're done, just gonna click on send or preview in the bottom. And then you have created and sent this invoice on the PayPal mobile app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.